We are going to spend some time immersed in nature. You can use the images on the screen, your imagination, or both. We are going to spend some time by the sea, coastline, a space on the beach that feels warm and relaxing. As you step into this seascape, you start to notice your breath without seeking to change it, noticing the rhythm of the in-breath and the rhythm of the out-breath. Notice that your shoulders start to soften down your back as you breathe in and out. Imagining the coastline before you. As you breathe in, what can you smell in the air? The salt on the breeze? Or the perfume of flowers growing on the cliffs? Imagine this scent as you breathe in and out. Imagine the breath flowing in from the soles of your feet and filling up your whole body. As you exhale, imagine the breath flows down and out through your feet. Next, take your attention to the sounds you can hear. The waves of the ocean, shells washing up by the shore, the call of gulls, or perhaps the rhythm of your own breath echoing the sounds of the sea. Let these sounds wash over you. Then start to imagine the feel of the ground underneath you. Rocks warmed in the sun, or soft, warm sand. Imagine your bare feet on the sand, or dipped into a rock pool warmed by the sun. What would that feel like? Imagine the feeling of being connected to nature. Sounds, smells, the touch of the air on your skin, and the sand underneath you. Find a place to rest in this landscape and imagine what you can see. What sights are there in the distance? What other living creatures do you share this space with? Allow your attention to settle on something in this seascape. A shell or a feather perhaps. Notice its intricate patterns. Imagine its feel in your hand. And notice again your breath. Maybe it's slower now, easier. Your shoulders have softened. Your senses have been soothed. As you imagine this special place, you might feel your connection to nature, knowing you're one part of a living, breathing ecosystem, one of many lives on the planet, living among plants, trees, fungi, birds, mammals, and a whole ocean full of fish and cetaceans. As you feel your place amidst this living, growing world, you can take that sense of connection, that calmness, back to the present moment, knowing you can return to nature, to the special place you imagined, whenever you need. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, we will leave the sea behind for now, knowing we can soon return.